All right, now we're going to go through inserting a presentation into your site. And so if you want to just insert that presentation directly into your site, whether or not you're doing notes or PowerPoint on something or a Google presentation on something, Google has made it pretty easy just to insert things into your website. Again, here's the home screen. It doesn't have to be on your home screen. We haven't gone through creating pages yet. And so what we're going to do, and this also assumes that you know a little bit about your Google presentations a little bit, and you've already created one and you know how to do that. And so what we're going to do first of all is make sure that our share settings are correct. And so I'm just going to go into my presentation. So let's say I'm going to add this one. Why do I need a site? I've already created this one. And so I just want to make sure my share settings are correct. And so here's my presentation. Okay. Now I'm going to go up to the share button and just make sure that it says public on the web, anyone on the internet can find and view. Okay, if it doesn't, click on the change button and make sure that that button is selected. Public on the web, then click save and then done. Alright, go back to your home or wherever you're going to insert this presentation. You're going to have to edit the page. Put your cursor where you want it. Insert presentation. Then, since this is linked to your account, all your presentations will come up. And so what I'm going to do is, this is the one I want. Why do I need a site? I click on that and then click on select. Okay, now here's your display settings. Include the border, include the title. Sure, I don't have to. These two things aren't clicked. It's fine. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and then click save. Okay, again, you will not actually see your presentation. All you're going to see is a box here that says Google Presentation and then the name of it. Again, you can change your settings around here just as you were an image or anything else. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to click save. And there's my presentation embedded into a website. Okay, so kind of neat there for easy way to do that. Inserting your presentation, just make sure that your share settings are correct and it's public on the web, and then when anybody comes to your site they will now see your presentation. So good for notes or PowerPoint on something that you've created to stick on a website or a web page. So that's inserting a Google presentation into